In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix discount not applying on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If your discount code is not applying during checkout, this can affect promotions and reduce sales. Usually, this problem happens because the discount is expired, inactive, limited, or linked to the wrong product. Now, if you want to fix discount not applying on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Gumroad account and going to your dashboard. Next, open the discount section and check whether the discount code is active. Make sure the discount is enabled, not expired, and not archived because inactive discounts will not work during checkout. After that, review the expiration date. If the expiration date has already passed, the discount code will stop working, so you may need to extend the date or create a new code. Then, check the usage limit settings. If the maximum number of uses has already been reached, the discount will no longer apply, so increase the limit if needed. Now, verify the product restrictions. Make sure the discount code is connected to the correct product and confirm the customer is purchasing an eligible product because discounts only apply to selected items. After that, review any minimum purchase requirements. If the checkout amount is below the required minimum, the discount code will not apply correctly. Then, test the checkout page yourself using incognito or private browsing mode. This helps remove browser cache conflicts and lets you confirm whether the code is working properly. Usually, this problem happens because the discount is expired, usage limits are reached, product restrictions are incorrect, or minimum purchase rules are not met. Carefully reviewing the discount settings normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By checking your Gumroad discount settings properly and testing the checkout process carefully, you can fix discount code issues and make your promotions work correctly.